What is Lenz's equation? This is the equation 1 by v minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. What is not clear? Okay. Now it is clear, huh? Now, okay, we have v is equal to image distance, u is equal to object distance. You remember class 9 also we used to do this kind of problem, same type of problem. F is focal length, but this is v is image distance, u is object distance, f is focal length. Okay, now there is another formula of magnification. M is magnification. It talks about the size of the image. Magnification. Magnification formula is V upon V. Formula of magnification of lens is V by E. M equal to V upon E. Okay, now we apply the sign positive, negative. Okay, learn about the sign. How we apply. Any distance on the left side of the lens will be taken negative, and on the right side it will be positive. Like u always will keep on the left hand side of the lens, that means u is always negative in all cases. Sign for v, if the image is real image is formed here on the other side of the object, means on the right side. So that means that will be positive. For real image, v is positive. Virtual image will have the v value. V side negative, it is coming on the left side, same side as the object, that is V will be negative. Sign for the focal length, if the lens is convex lens focus is situated on the right side, so it is positive. But if it is the concave lens is the virtual focus, which is on the same side, that will be taken negative. Magnification also has sign. The sign of magnification for real image is minus, because real image is formed here on the other side, that is V is positive and U is negative. So positive divided by negative, answer is negative. Then the sign of M for real image is minus, negative, and for virtual image both will be negative, cancel. The sign of M will be positive. Okay. Magnification sign is positive. So this is the formula. One thing will be unknown, we have to find that according to the question. You can see the notes also which I have sent. Now we will be doing problems. Number 1, question says an object is placed at a distance 60 cm in front of a convex lens of focal length 15 cm. Find the position and nature of the image. Object distance is given 60 cm. U side is always negative, so we will be putting a minus sign. Focal length of convex lens is given 15. We write 15 cm with a positive sign because focal length of convex lens is positive. So that is, we have to find the value of V, position of the image. V is unknown. So I will use the formula 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. 1 by V, the value of V is, we have to find U value is minus 60, F value is 15. Minus becomes plus, the sign changes, now it becomes plus. 1 by 60 is equal to 1 by 15. This will go that side. Now we will calculate the answer. LCM is 60, 15 4s will go, 61 will go. You get 3 by 60, cancel 1 by 20. Reciprocate at the end, the value of V will become 20 cm. 1 by 20 now become 20. That is, here is the image formed. We say the image is formed at a distance 20 cm from the lens on the opposite side of the object or on the other side of the object, because the real is having real image, because positive is the sign, is other side. Okay. Okay. The sign for V is coming positive, that means the image is real on the other side. And the image is real, then it will be inverted. I am talking about the nature. Position is 20 centimeter from the lens on the other side of the object. Then it is real, inverted. Now we check the magnification. Sometimes the question they will ask you to find magnification. Otherwise, we will find magnification ourselves. V by U. V value is 20 and U value is minus 60. The answer will come minus 1 by 3. We do not bother about minus sign. Minus sign tells you the image is virtual. That is it. That is the size of the image is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 times the size of the object. That means the image is diminished. When value of n comes 1, it will be same size. When the value of n comes more than 1, it will be magnified. And the value of n comes with fraction 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 5, then the image will be diminished. Then we say that the image is 1 by 3 times diminished. Is the answer. Understood? Yes. This was the first problem of the notes which I have sent. You can see that. Now the next question I read. Question says an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter is the object distance. In front of a convex lens of focal length 15 centimeter. Find the position of the image. And number 2 magnification. And number 3 is nature. Okay, first of all, we'll be writing U value is given minus 10, that is 10 centimeter. Focal length given is 15 centimeter, that is convexness of positive. I use the formula 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F, and now I calculate. U value is minus 10, F value is 15, so minus will become plus. Once you get 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 15, now this will go the other side. 1 by V is equal to 1 by 15 minus 1 by 10. Now you are taking LCM of this. 30 is LCM, 53 will go 10, 52 is 10, 3 is. You get 1 by V is coming minus 1 by 30. Therefore the value of V is coming minus 30 centimeter. Minus 30. Minus sign tells you the real virtual image because it's on the same side. Now we say the image is formed at a distance 30 centimeter from the lens on the same side as the object. Magnification of the question number 2 says find magnification. M formula is V by U. The value of V is minus 30 and the value of U is minus 10. Answer will come 3. That is 3 times magnified because the answer is more than 1, so it will be magnified. 3 times enlarged or 3 times magnified. That we will like. And the third part, we are talking about nature. Nature of, in fact, what is the nature of this image? The image is virtual, erect, and 3 times magnified, 3 times enlarged. We can say that. This was question number 2. Now, question number 3. Is it okay? Understood? This is quite simple, only same formula, but the sign we have to take correctly and then we will find. Number 3, question number 3. An object is placed in front of a convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter. Focal length of the concave lens is given 20 centimeter. Sign is negative because it is concave lens. At a distance of 30 centimeter from the lens, U value is given minus 30. You have to find the position and the nature of the image. That means V you have to find. I will use the same formula 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. 1 by V. U value is minus 30. F is minus 20. Minus will become plus. This minus sign will shift up there. We write minus 1 by 20 here. This 1 by 30 will go the other side. You get 1 by V is coming minus 1 by 20 minus 1 by 30 LCM. 20 30 LCM is 60. The 23 term will go minus 3. 32 term will go. You get 1 by V is coming minus 5 by 60. 5 ones are 5 12s are. Therefore V value is coming minus 12 centimeter. Minus 12. That is, image is formed at a distance 12 centimeter from the lens on the same side as the object. That is the position. Now we write the nature now. It is virtual, erect or upright, and we check the magnification. Magnification formula we have V by U. V value is minus 12 and U is coming minus, U is minus 30. Minus you go 6 to the 6, 5 to the 2 by 5, that means 0.4. We can add 0.4 times diminished or 2 by 5 times diminished. If the length no, okay. Now the image is 0.4 times diminished or 2 by 5 times diminished. If they say the length of the object or height of the object is 20 centimeter, what is the height of the image? We can multiply this way. Height of the object will be equal to, height of the image will be equal to 0.4 into 20 centimeter. What is the height of the object? 0.4 into 20, that's will become 8 centimeter. That many times it means. Understood? Yes. Now the another question. Question number 4. An object placed at a distance of 20 centimeter has a real image 2 times enlarged. Find the position of the image and the focal length of the lens. There is an object placed at a distance of 20 centimeter, that is U value is minus 20. This is question number 5. And the image formed by the lens is 2 times real image, that is M value is 2 times. Real image is mentioned, we put minus sign. Sometimes they will use the term like real image, they say image on the screen, they will say inverted image. This will all tell you that the image is real. If they don't use the word term real, in that case they will see certain type of clues will be given, hints will be given. So M value at minus 2. M formula will write below this slide. V by U is equal to minus 2. Right? V as it is, U value is minus 20. We put that value. So equal to minus 2. Therefore value V is coming minus plus 40 centimeter. This is the position of the image. That is, image is formed at a distance of 40 centimeter from the lens on the other side of the object because the image is real. The first answer comes. Now you can find focal length. 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. Now I calculate 1 by 40. U value is minus 20 is equal to 1 by F. Minus becomes plus 1 by F. Taking LCM 40, you get 1 plus 2 is equal to 1 by F. Therefore 3 by 40 is equal to 1 by F. Or we let F is equal to 40 by 3. We will not give the answer in fraction, we will change in decimal, right? 13.33, so it becomes 13.3 centimeter. Amarnath, has the video gone? Check. Has it come back? Can you? Done. Okay. Now next question, question number 6. Question says, No, 5 I did. This one number 5. Now number 6. Question says a convex lens forms an erect image. Convex lens forms an erect image of an object placed at a distance of 20 centimeters. If the image is 3 times enlarged, find the focal length of the lens. Okay, the object distance is given 20, right? The u value minus 20 centimeters. And the image is 3 times enlarged, right? 3. But the image they are saying erect image. The erect image will be virtual. That is, m sign will be positive. Now below m I write here v by u is equal to 3. Therefore v u value is minus 20 equal to 3. The value of v will become minus 60 centimeters. Now I use the formula 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f, and I will find value of f. Minus 60 minus u, the value of u is looks like now just a minute. Now clear? Okay, now we simplify it. Minus and we shift up here. You get minus 1 by 60 plus 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by f. Take LCM. LCM is 60. This will come minus 1. 23 will become 3. 3 minus 1 is 2 by 60 is equal to 1 by f. 2 1 that 2 30s are. Therefore, f value is coming 30 centimeters. This is the answer. Go. Hello. Hello. Mobile data is on. Okay. We are doing next question. Question number 7. A convex lens of focal length 20 centimeters. The focal length of convex lens is given 20 centimeters. Forms an image 4 times enlarged on a screen. Find the position of the object. Size is given 4 times. M is 4 times. And they are saying on the screen. So the screen image will be real. So minus m. You have to find the value of u. M value right here. V by u is equal to minus 4. Therefore the value of v will become minus 4u. Equation 1. Now I use this formula. 1 by v minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. Now I put the value. V value is minus 4u. U is equal to 1 by f. The value of f is 20. Minus m can shift up. Minus 1 by 4u. Minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by 20. Take LCM. 4u and u. LCM is 4u. Minus 1. U and u will go. You get 4 here. 1 by 20. This is coming minus 5 by 4u is equal to 1 by 20. 4, 5 times will go. The value of u is coming minus 25 centimeters. The sign of u should come always negative, and it is coming to the negative. That means the object is placed at a distance of 25 centimeters in front of the lens. If question asks you find the position of the image, the value of u minus 25 will put here and get the value of v. Minus plus and 4 into 25, the answer will become 100 centimeters. If question asks, then we will give it to other will become. Alright, okay. Yes. So we have done the problems on lens equation. Now the last part of this chapter is power of a lens. Power of a lens. This is also called optical power. We call it optical power. how to define? We say it is reciprocal of the focal length of the lens. Reciprocal. That is, formula of power is 1 upon f. This is the formula of power. The SI unit of power is SI unit of optical power. It is not other kind of power. Optical power is diopter. Diopter. Denoted by capital D. Diopter. The SI unit of power, optical power is diopter, denoted by D. For convex lens, power will be positive because focal length is positive, and for concave lens, power will be negative because the focal length of concave lens is negative. Okay. Thin glass and thick glass, which will have greater power? So we say thick glass. Thick glass will have greater power, but the focal length will be shorter. Thick glass and thin glass, which will have larger focal length? We say thin glass will have larger focal length, because thin glass will have less power but more focal length. When a lens is immersed in water from air, will the power of the lens change? Answer is yes, it will change. Power will decrease or increase? We say power will decrease because the water is a denser medium than air. In the denser medium, power decreases but the focal length increases. What happens to what happens to the focal length of a lens when it is immersed in water from air? With respect to air, from air we are immersing it into water. What will happen to the focal length? We say focal length will increase. Why it will increase? Because the power decreases. Understood? That's why this is the reason why in foggy weather it is difficult to see. Visibility problem will be there because the air becomes dense and the density increases, that is power decreases, but the focal length increases. Focal length will increase, but they are inversely proportional. Now we have some problems, numerical problems on the formula V equal to 1 by f. When we calculate the power, the focal length we must take in meter because SI unit of focal length is meter. You must take focal length in meter and then find the value of power. And the unit for power will be diopter, capital D. And sign will be positive, negative depending upon the type of lens. Suppose question says the focal length of a convex lens is 20 cm, find its power. Question number 1 on power of the lens. Focal length of the convex lens is given 20 cm. Convex focal length is positive. Find power. We had power is equal to 1 by f. 20 cm will change into meter. That is like 20 by 100. That is 0.2 meter. We put the value 1 upon 0.2. Point will go, 10 will come here. The answer is coming 5. So that plus 5d. So power value will become 5d. Is the answer. Now, question number 2 says the focal length of concave lens is 80 cm. Focal length is given 80. Concave lens for f is equal to 80 cm with a minus sign because it is concave lens. Find the power. The power formula we have 1 by f. Change in meter immediately. So minus 80 by 100 you will do. The answer will become minus 0.8 meter. Focal length we must take in meter, then only we can calculate the power. The power value will become 1 upon minus 0.8. Point will go 0 comes here. 10 by 8 minus 5 by 4. Divide, answer will become minus 1.25 D diopter. Okay. Now the next question is the power of a lens is minus 2.5 D. The power of a lens is given minus 2.5 D. Identify the lens and find power of the lens is given minus 2.5 D. Identify the lens. We say the lens is concave because of minus power or minus focal length. And find its focal length. So what is the formula? Power formula we have 1 by f. Therefore f value will become 1 by p. 1 upon minus 2.5. Point will go, this will become 10 will become minus 10 by 25. Cancel. 5 5 5 2 minus 0.4, but unit will give meter because focal length SI unit is meter. If question asks you give your answer in centimeter, they will change it. Otherwise, this answer is fine. Centimeter value will become 0.4 into 100. The answer will be minus 40 centimeter. 40 centimeter. The answer. Okay. Huh? Yeah? Hello? Oh, it's delaying. Okay. So this is the syllabus of this chapter. Okay. So with this, the syllabus is this chapter is over. This chapter is over. Okay. Tomorrow we'll start a new chapter, spectrum. Okay.